If you don't like waiting but still need cool stuff fast, then 3D printing is your new best friend. 3D printing is like having a mini factory at your fingertips. Imagine creating anything you dream up, layer by layer from a digital blueprint. Cool, right? Let's start with health. Doctors are now 3D printing custom prosthetics and even parts of organs. This tech could save lives by making transplants faster and more precise. Next stop, construction. Need a house? 3D printers can build one in just a few days. Think about how this could help with affordable housing or disaster relief. What about the environment? 3D printing can use recycled materials, cutting down on waste. Plus, products can be made on demand, reducing the need for mass production. And in education, students can bring their ideas to life. From science projects to art, 3D printing makes learning hands-on and super fun. Businesses are also jumping on board. Custom jewelry, car parts, even food. Yes, you heard that right. 3D printed pizza. So next time you think about printers, remember they're not just for paper anymore. They're changing the world one layer at a time. Stay curious and who knows, maybe you'll be the next 3D printing pioneer.